one place to start is really with a kind of introspection, whether you practice mindfulness formally with meditation or not. It's just becoming aware of your intention, your motivation behind an action, and how it feels. Like there are many, many ways, as you say, of giving a gift. We can give because we don't feel we deserve to have anything. So it's not really generosity. It's more like martyrdom, as we
Right.
make an offering of our time, of our energy, of a material thing, whatever it is. And then there's a way of giving that is coming from a greater place of inner sufficiency or inner abundance. And that can be what's motivating an act. It's just like a natural thing. Like, well, yeah, you're hungry. Let me try to feed you. It's not even thinking. But and then there's a way of understanding our own stress in a moment. And I'm speaking to you from Barre, Massachusetts, and I also have an apartment in New York City, a small apartment that I rent. So I was only there for a few days in early March before I left to come up to Massachusetts for what I thought was going to be 2 weeks. So it's like almost 6 months, and before I left, I was teaching this large group and sitting in the audience before I got up on the stage to speak. And I was sitting next to a person who was extremely anxious. She didn't know if she should be there. It was a large crowd. They were very confused. Warnings at that point about COVID and so on. And so I was just sitting next to her. So I said, well, maybe if you try breathing in this way, it'll help. And that did not make a dent. And I said, let's talk about loving kindness meditation. And it was like nothing. And then I said, is there anyone you can help? And she lit up. And she said, I have this elderly neighbor. I can ask her if she needs grocery shopping. And that was the moment. It was like such a tremendous relief for her. And I thought, oh, right. Like when we are coming from the right place, it serves us as well as serving somebody else. And that's good. That's okay. So having that kind of introspection, remembering that's an opportunity. Like sometimes we feel it's useless. Like it's not going to solve climate change if I get my elderly neighbor her groceries, and there's so much pain, but we have to do the good that's in front of us, however small it seems. And that will really restore us as well.